Hello, my dear lovely viewers. Today we have an interesting fact about followers. In life, when you are tired, no one will come searching for you. When you are fully destroyed, you will find they are vanished from your life. When you plan to come back to track, they make fun at your back. When you win, they will start feeling jealous and even start hating you. But my dear viewers, the same people will start following you when they find the successors following you and to find what is the source to get successful for himself. This is human beings. How much ever they get, they will be always eager to get more. So never let you down until you have a pool of folks following your path for a greater success. Hope you all loved today's content. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. For training requirements, you can contact me on the contact number given in description. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Kumar, the hospitality trainer, signing off to bring more interesting contents on your screen. Until then, bye bye.